Hi Leo, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 25th of April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card I see for you, Leo, is the Ace of Pentacles. You have the Page of Cups. You also have the Nine of Swords. Your person has the Seven of Wands, the Knight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, I see the Eight of Wands. With the Eight of Wands being there, it could mean that either you or your person could go ahead and have, some kind of a conversation, or you can expect some kind of conversation in, or some message or a phone call coming in from their end very soon. Okay, now what I see for you here is you have the Page of Pentacles. With the Page of Pentacles being there, it means that you want to start again with this person. You have this very childlike energy wherein you want to go ahead and put in this effort again, and you want to start again with this person, but at this time you want to make sure that this person understands that you want stability in the relationship. Now the next card that I see for you is the Page of Cups. With that, you have a very childlike energy. Okay, you feel a lot of love for them and you want to go ahead and just express that love to them. Now what is really causing a lot of anxiety to you with this Nine of Swords is the fact that this person, I see they may have done something wherein you feel that even if you will go ahead and express your love, and you want to say that you want to be in a very stable relationship with this person, it could be that you are feeling stressed out because you feel that maybe this time around also it might not work out. So I think you are overthinking the situation a lot as well. Now your person on the other hand has the Seven of Wands. With the Seven of Wands energy, they too are stressed. Okay, it's not that you are the only one who is going through a lot of stress. They are also stressed. They feel that a lot of things that happened between the two of you, and that needs a lot of clarity, because the very next card that I see for them is the Knight of Swords. With the Knight of Swords energy, they want to go ahead, rush in and tell you something. Okay, if there is something that either you or your person is currently hiding, then I see that this person wants to go ahead and let you know what is the fact. Okay, if there is something that was hidden, some information, some secret, they want to let you know. And once that is sorted out, I see that this person would move into the Knight of Pentacles energy, wherein they will move very slow because they are not sure how you will react to that particular information. Now let's quickly see what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card I see is the Knight of Cups. Again, with the Knight of Cups, they have this energy wherein they want to rush in, tell you that they have a lot of feelings for you, and then that's a very positive sign that I see, because the next card also is the Hierophant. With the Hierophant, that's the Taurus energy, and that's a very committed energy that I see. So they want to start small, and then at one point they might rush in and tell you their feelings, but they eventually want to grow in this particular relationship. Now the third card that I see here is the Judgment card. That's again a very positive sign, because this person wants to go ahead and tell everybody, you go ahead and proclaim this judgment. Okay, so it's like an order that is passed and everybody gets to know about it. So this person wants to go ahead and tell everybody that this is what I plan to go ahead and do. This is the person I want to be with. Okay, now let's quickly go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Solacetite. The crystal message is, are you trying to profess a lot of information? Take the time to sort out all that is happening. Write in your journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thoughts and memories upon awaking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now, the message here from Archangel Gabriel, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.